So 7b, first we want to understand the question. It says exactly divisible by 5. So maybe I do here. Maybe I do here. Now my first question is this number divisible by 5? Yes or no? Yes. Is this number divisible by 5? How do I know? Another way of saying it, this is equal to what? 3 times 5. So this is actually equals to 5 times 2. This is actually 5 times 3. So you see that when there's a 5, is it divisible by 5? Yes. So let's try. Let's try. Let's try a concept. If I say 5x, is this number divisible by 5? Yes. Let's try again. If I say, so yes, if I say 5x plus 1, is this divisible by 5? Yes. So now you understand the idea of divisible by 5. But when I look at this, that means this one, if I factorize, right, I must have 5 bracket and then some nonsense inside. I don't know what is inside, but I must have a 5 outside. Then I can prove that it is divisible by 5. So let's start the journey. 3x plus 1/3. 3x plus 4 minus 3x plus 1. Now, take note, highlight. This is a plus, this is a minus. These are all plus minus term. Does any law of indices take part in plus and minus? Don't have. Don't have. Because we know that AM times AN. We know AM divided by AN. But is there such a thing AM plus AN? Actually no, don't have. All the indices law only handle all the times and divide. Therefore, you are basically stuck. And the only thing you can do is to factorize. But before you factorize, they're so ugly, so difficult. So then maybe you must try to split them. So can we try? This is 3 negative 1 times 3x plus 4 minus times 3 1, right? Yeah. Why I didn't? Because I wanted to do the this and this together. Is there something that I can write? Plus 3x times 3. Wrong. 3. Why? Because AM times AN is plus the power, right? Now the last one, same thing, minus 3x times 3 1. Now you take note, over here there's actually 3 trays, right? So if I were to factorize, then I will say, oh, I can take out 3x. Something is left in the first one. I already take out, so left 1, right? So left 1. Second one, plus 3 cube. That's where you die. The last one, I take out 3 power x. Gerald left what? See the last one? So how do I get 1? If you imagine 3x times 1, you get 3x. How do I get 3 cube? 3x times 3 cube equals to 3x times 3 cube. So the last one, if I take out 3x, left what? Too small, right? That's why you must sit in front. Again, if 3 power x and 3 cube, I take out 3x. So left 3 cube, right? So this one, I take out 3x, left 3 1, right? So this is 3, but what is the sign? Minus. Then this one is just working with calculator. What's the answer here? 25. So can. You can also let 3x be u, but later you're going to put back the 3x. So what do I understand by 25 times 3x? Since 25 is divisible by 5, therefore this whole string is divisible by 5. You understand? Okay, so then you write your statement. Since Sure. Is divisible by 5. Then can you copy the whole string like the question itself?
Wait, I was gonna ask that just now, right? Since they say right, proof question, right? Must is like is it like a show question, right?
Yes, yes.
Right. Yeah.
This one. I,
Three.
I, I don't want to write because it's the question. This is the question.
Is it the whole question?
This is the question. So I anyhow write. It was the question. This was the question. Now you understand? Any questions to ask for your friends? Mm, but you must tell me this lah. I want to see the 25 lah. Basically, it's a 25 is divisible by 5.
Oh.
Then, therefore, usually I copy the question. I copy. Then this whole string is divisible by 5. Any questions to ask for your friends? There are more than 50% not here.
So
Yeah.
you something wrong with your mic. You know why? Because in the video, right, I tried to view, right. You say always ask question, right? But I cannot hear the questions.
You mean you cannot hear the answers?